Hey everyone, Nate here with 911 Rapid Response, back again with another vehicle showcase, and today we're going to be taking you around a purchase-ready 2018 Chevrolet Tahoe SSV. This vehicle was provided to us by our local GM dealership, Click Lewis, and it is available for immediate sale. So we have upfitted this vehicle to a basic package, to a basic level, to an extent that we can have additional equipment added to it, additional configurations added to it as well. And we'll go ahead and start detailing the emergency lighting that we have upfitted here. And starting down low, you can see the headlights. They are flashing back and forth. That's a wig-wag pattern, so they'll flash white in position 3. The wheel and ions in the grille, those are actually a trio configuration, so they will each flash red and blue, and they will steady override to white with takedown. Moving up a little bit further, you can see that we also have the wheel and mirror beams, and those are configured with a surface mounted ion in a trio configuration as well. So they will flash red and blue, and they will also override to a steady white with a takedown. Up high in the visor, we have a Phoenix interior visor bar. It's a dual color, red and blue, and it has the flashing and steady white takedowns in the center. And we'll go ahead and cruise around the side, take a look at the lighting that we have here. Down low at the running boards, we have the wheel and T ion, and those are in a duo configuration. So those are each flashing a color, and they will steady burn white with an alley press on the controller. In the rear window, we have the wheel and T ion in a duo configuration, and that is red-blue. And moving around to the back, inside the tailgate, high in the glass, we have the Phoenix Solo. This is a red and blue 600 light stick, and that will also function as an arrow stick as well. And down in the center of the hatch, we have the wheel and T ion in a duo configuration. And on the outsides, we have the OEM taillight flashers activated. And if we lift the hatch, we have equipped this vehicle with a mercury switch. So upon raising the hatch, we'll kill the exterior lighting, and then the overhead T ions here will flash to give rear warning when the hatch is in the open position. All right, everyone, we're going to take a look at the prisoner containment configuration that we installed in this vehicle, being that it was equipped as a police vehicle. And we'll start with the front partition, and this is the Pro Guard with a center sliding poly window. It has the recessed panel you can see protruding to the back here for the addition of gun locks in the front, if that would be an option configured by the customer. We did keep the OEM seating in place. Again, this is something that is able to be changed out with a plastic seat, and with outboard seat belts, so on and so forth. But as it sits as a basic package, we did opt to keep the factory seating in place in the second row. We also have the rear partition, that is the cargo barrier. Again, Pro Guard, it's a full poly window. And the last addition to the prisoner containment would be the poly window guards and the poly door panel. All right, everyone, back inside the vehicle, and we're in the passenger compartment, and we're going to go over the console additions here, as well as some other areas that we can add on to, and we'll begin at the top here. So we have two 12-volt outlets and a dual USB outlet with an aux port. So what this does is, this is a Havas vehicle-specific console, and we relocate the factory power points from the console itself. So we do utilize the factory wiring that was provided with the vehicle to wire in these 12-volt points, the USB points, and the auxiliary jack. Moving down, we have a Whelen 295 siren light controller. And again, we have open space here for additions of a radio, other equipment, and accessory pocket to the side here. This is able to fit a binder, map book, papers, other filing needs. And cup holders, armrests as always. And what we could do here We also have the ability to add a gun lock, a dual gun lock, and we can also add on here equipment such as computer mounting, tablet mounting. We have the ability to do that in this location as provided on this vehicle specific console. And up top, this light here, this was provided from the factory, white and red overhead lighting. And that about wraps up what we have on the inside here. All right, everyone, thanks for taking the time to go around this vehicle with us. Again, this vehicle is ready for immediate sale, and for information regarding that, you can give us a call at 717-473-3843, and we can go over any further details. Or even if you are interested in getting a vehicle purchased in the near future or upfitted, we will gladly help you out with that as well. So like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, subscribe on YouTube as always, and have a great day.